Hey guys, I'm just going to go through some of the examples on page 83. So number 1, find the perimeter of each polygon. Okay, you would need a ruler for this as well, but if you don't, you can just make sure that you have the side lengths and then check your work. Okay, so we've got 2 centimeters is this side, 2.5 centimeters here, and then 3.5 centimeters. Okay, I know if I'm calculating perimeter, I'm simply just looking for the distance around the shape. Okay, so perimeter equals side plus side plus side. 2 plus 3.5 plus 2.5. And I can find the perimeter for this shape is 8 centimeters. Okay, if I'm looking at B, I know the top is 1 centimeter. And because this is a rectangle, I also then know the bottom. Okay, and the measurement along the sides is 2.2 centimeters. Okay, perimeter again, side plus side plus side plus side. 1 plus 2.2 plus 1 plus 2.2. And I will find that the perimeter of this rectangle is 6.4 centimeters. Okay, lastly, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides here. Okay, so the shortest side here measures 1 centimeter. Then we've got 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. Okay, when I add up all of those sides, perimeter, side, plus side, plus side, plus side, perimeter equals 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2.5, and I will find the perimeter for that one is 8.5 centimeters. Okay. All right, moving on to the next one. So we've got a couple problem-solving questions here. So Carrie skates laps around the playground. The playground is 150 meters long and 50 meters wide. How many laps will it take Carrie to skate 1 kilometer? Okay, so it's always a really good idea to make sure, if you can, to draw a diagram just to help with your understanding of the problem. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle here so I can visualize this question. So I know that it's 150 meters long and 50 meters wide. Okay, now one thing that you should notice right away, if you have units in kilometers and you have units in meters. Okay, so you have to remember that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, so we're looking to see for how many laps around will it take Carrie to skate 1 kilometer or 1,000 meters. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is first of all find out the perimeter around. So how long it takes, how many meters to get all the way around. Okay, so perimeter equals 150 plus 150 plus 50 plus 50. Okay, so the distance all the way around is 400 meters. Okay, from there, I need to look at the 1 kilometer. Okay, so in order to find out how many times around it would take to skate 1 kilometer, I would turn that kilometer into meters, and it's 1,000 meters divided by 400 meters on every lap, and I can find out that it would take Carrie 2.5 laps to get around. Okay, and I can always check my work, right? I can go around, that's 400, 800, and then an additional 2, so 2.5 laps to get around with that perimeter. Okay. All right, number 3, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 5.1 meters. How long are its sides? Give your answer in as many units as you can. Okay, so again, drawing a picture is always a really good idea. Okay, I know with an equilateral triangle it is unique because all of its side lengths must be the same. Okay, so perimeter equals side plus side plus side. In this formula, the one value I do know is my perimeter. So I can put in 5.1 meters equals side plus side plus side. Okay, now in order to solve this efficiently, you are going to actually have to use division. Okay, so if I know to get all the way around is 5.1 and every one of my sides has to be equal, I'm going to take 5.1 and I'm going to divide it by 3. Okay, to figure out what each side is. 5.1 divided by 3 is 1.7 meters. Okay, and then I can convert that meters into centimeters or millimeters or whatnot. Okay. All right, next question. The perimeter of an atlas is 4.1 meters. How long might each side be? Okay, so again, I'm going to draw a picture for this one. Okay, and we are given the perimeter again. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to figure out that perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, and the value that I'm given is 1.4 meters. Okay. From there, you'll have to problem solve to figure out which 4 side lengths, with 2 of them being equal, will add up to 1.4.